Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm here with a new video on nude makeup, soft kind of a look. I totally love this look. Please watch this video till end if you want to learn this look, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment to my video and also subscribe to my channel at Label India. So let's start. Okay, so always wear your makeup hairband first, it's very essential. Now clean your face with any rose water or any tonic mist. So I have here facial tonic mist, pure rose water, and this is from Forest Essentials. The next thing I apply is Herbal Khadi Milk and Saffron Moisturizer. It's always essential to apply moisturizer to moisturize your and hydrate your skin. And then next I always start from my eyes, so I'm applying foundation from Maybelline New York Fit Me. It's shade 125 Nude Beach. So I'm applying gel eyebrow liner. This is from Swiss Beauty, and you just shape your eyebrows accordingly. I don't like too much dark. And now I'm using a concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty. Definition to my eyebrows and then blend. Now I'm using a palette from Swiss Beauty. I love this palette, and this is shade kind of a brown because this is going to be nude. Just try to apply it very smoothly. बहुत हल्के हाथ से apply करें and try to blend it as much as you can in circular motion. And I'm again taking the foundation to make my base of my face. You can also add a little primer if you want, because it reduces the appearances of pores. And blend it properly. Don't miss your neck, it's very important. So it's very important to have the same combination on face as well as on your neck. Okay, so apply the concealer to the areas where there are any dark circles, any large pores or any pimples. So the main focus of concealer is to concentrate on specific areas. There are some areas you want to highlight so that your face doesn't look flat. And then dab it properly with sponge. It's very important for the foundation and concealer to just blend it into your skin so that it doesn't look different. And now I'm using the loose powder. Baking के लिए it's very important, ताकि आपने जो भी मेकअप का सामान लगाया है या any product on your face, it settles down. And now I'm contouring. और बहुत आगे तक नहीं लेकर आना है, आप बहुत थोड़ा सा अप्लाई करेंगे एंड देन यू विल ब्लेंड इट. Also to my nose, I contour. जो आपने पाउडर लगाया था उसको सेटल करना है. एंड नाउ आई एम यूजिंग द लाइनर फॉर माई आईज. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम नायका एंड द पाउडर वॉज फ्रॉम मियोन. I'm applying lipstick from Maybelline. So the lipstick I'm applying is from Maybelline. It's the Creamy Matte and this is shade 657 Nude Nuance. So for nude lovers, this is good lipstick. And the next I'm applying is mascara. This is from Maybelline New York, the Colossal Waterproof Mascara. And the last thing I'm applying is highlighter, very important, and this is from Wet n Wild. And you need to highlight the areas whichever you like. It's very important on the cheekbones. So this is always in like a curve motion. So you know where your cheekbones are. It's in curve motion, and also on your nose, on your little bit on your lips, and on your chin. Also, don't forget to define your eyebrows with highlighter. It's very important. Also, apply the highlighter to the inner corner of your eyes and also to the bridge of your nose. And now my whole look is ready. The nude look. You can add on accessories, and I'm sure you will love it.